An elderly person was killed by suspected Kuki militants while he was sleeping at his home last night in Jiribam district. As per reports, the incident occurred early this morning. The attack took place at Nungsekpi under Jiribam district, which is around 7 kilometers from Jiribam police station. The elderly person who have been killed by suspected Kuki militants is identified as Yumlembam Kulendra Singh, 63 years, of Nungsekpi, Jiribam. He was shot dead in point blank by the suspected Kuki militants while he was sleeping on his bed. He survived by his wife and a daughter. The report added that heavy firing is currently ongoing at the site with at least 3 to 4 people reportedly killed. Subsequently, tension is highly escalating in Jiribam district. Earlier on September 6, Kuki militants deployed long-range rockets among the civilian population in 2 locations of Bishnupur district, in one of which one senior civilian, R.K. Rabai, 74 years, of Moirang, Piwangbam Laikai, expired, and 6 other civilians were injured in Moirang, Khoiru Laikai, Bishnupur district, said Manipur police. The release said that the police teams and additional security forces have been rushed in to conduct combing operations in the hill ranges adjoining the area. 2 bunkers at Mualsang village and 1 bunker at Laika Mualsau village of Chorachandpur were destroyed.